Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're bringing you the top 10 essential SEO ranking factors you need to rank number 1. SEO, or search engine optimization, means optimizing web pages for better search engine ranking. Optimized sites get more and more traffic over time, and that means more leads and sales. If you don't optimize your website for search engines, no one will be able to find your site, meaning all your hard work will be wasted. First on the list, and one of the top factors, is a secure and accessible website. First off, Google has been promoting better web security for many years, introducing HTTPS as an SEO ranking signal in 2014. If you haven't enabled SSL security on your website, it's the time. Next, Google's bots need to easily be able to reach and crawl your URL. In other words, Google has to be able to visit the URL and look at the page content to start to understand what your page is about. To help it do so, you can generate a sitemap at xml-sitemaps.com. If you have the Yoast SEO plugin on WordPress, it will also generate a sitemap for you. Our number 2 factor for SEO rankings is PageSpeed. Google's main focus is improving users' experience of the web, so slow websites simply won't cut it. Having a slow site can hurt your SEO rankings. So best practices tell us the faster, the better. Factor number 3 is mobile friendliness. Take into consideration if you have a responsive site that automatically resizes to fit the device, whether you're using large fonts for easy readability on a small screen, make it easy to tap menus, and ensure that essential content isn't hidden by interstitial ads. Factor 4 is domain age, URL, and authority. Studies show that 60% of Google's top 10 search results are of websites that are 3 years old or older. Beyond domain age, the URL is also important, and research shows that exact match domains deemed to be relevant and valuable can see a ranking boost because of it. An exact match domain is a domain name that precisely matches a search query that will likely drive traffic to your website. Finally, on Link Explorer, you can check the domain authority of your website, which has a direct influence on your SEO rankings. Factor number 5 is optimized content. This is one of Google's top 3 search ranking factors. And it's why creating consistent content and using keywords within that content is such an important part of ranking high in Google's search results. But remember, keyword stuffing is completely prohibited. So write your content for people while keeping the Google algorithm in mind. Factor number 6 is technical SEO. Technical SEO has to do with the way your website is coded. You can improve this by using keyword phrases in page titles, header tags to show content hierarchy, creating meta descriptions that entice readers and includes a keyword phrase, and using keyword phrases and image alt tags to show how the images are relevant to the main content. Factor number 7 is user experience. Google uses artificial intelligence to better rank web pages. This takes into consideration the click-through rate, which is the percentage of people who click to visit your site after an entry comes up in research, your bounce rate, which is the number of people who bounce away again after your site didn't give them what they wanted, as well as dwell time, which is how long people stay on your site after they've arrived. Factor number 8 are links. 3 types of links to think about are inbound links, which is a link coming from another site to your own website, outbound links, which are from your website to another website, and internal links, which are links on your website that links to another page on your same website. Google uses inbound links as one way to help determine how authoritative and relevant your content is. Outbound links show that you're creating quality content for visitors, linking to relevant, authoritative sites, and internal links can help tie pages together for both Google and your visitors, making each page more valuable. Factor number 9 are social signals. While Google's official word is that social shares are not a direct ranking factor, Cognitive SEO's study of 23 million shares found a definitive link between social shares and search engine ranking. It's probably because the more your content is shared, the more people will see it and decide to link to it. That means getting more social shares does help your search engine rankings, if only indirectly. And factor number 10 is real business information. For businesses targeting particular local areas, it's important to look after areas like name, address, and phone number, business listings on Google My Business and Facebook, as well as the right local search terms. Take these 10 factors into account, and you'll be climbing your ranks on Google's search engine. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.